Hey y'all, welcome back to another video here. So we are getting ready to head back out to do some more hunting. Going duck hunting in the morning. We are gonna leave tonight and drive out there tonight and stay out there and then hunt the morning. So stay tuned and I'll see you guys probably in the morning down there. So peace. Smoked it.
There we go. Overhead.
Stick.
Where'd it go?
Oh, I'm gonna send Zoe on this side.
Yeah.
Heel, heel. Heel, 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 heel. Back. Nice shot. Thing almost landed in the blind.
I have blood everywhere. What is that one?
I think it was a teal. Zoe has it.
Oh, she does? Hey, Zoe, drop it. You shot it?
No, the one you shot.
No, that was a green ring.
I can't even see that. Sit.
Dude, I think I snapped that thing's neck and I got so... Anyways,
Is it to the right? I can't see anything.
we're screaming and like... Badass.
Where'd that John come from?
Way out there. Dude, that's a big duck. It is, isn't it?
Come here. Here.
Oh my god.
Dude. Here. Here. Here.
Oh my god.
Dude.
That is, yeah?
The sun, and you can see all the color in it. I'd keep that nice.
I'm
Here.
gonna try.
Drop the cinnamon.
Sick. How did I miss those?
Get the bird, Zoe.
I don't know how.
That one might
There's
come
another,
back.
yeah. Fucking shells right here.
Sit. Holy. You know how?
Just chilling.
So you know how I knew that? Because Zoe was sitting here going.
Got him in the head.
Here. Good girl. Here. Good girl. Good job, Zoe. Heel. Sit. Good girl.
For real though, how was she going again?
Sit. 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 Sit.
Hey, back. That was that single one?
I think it was the same one.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. There's a spinny. I love how they have orange feet.
You love how they have 1 feet.
Yeah. Coming in?
Stay down. They're coming. They're gonna land across the jetty.